stop with this motherfucker. It's good. That's it.
You got your own folder out here, bro.
Hey, yo. I don't know what vlog he gonna post this on, but this is when this nigga turned up. And when this nigga came to this undisclosed location, what you see here is a prop, it ain't real.
Hello Vlogs fam, welcome to another video. Pag bago ka dito, make sure you hit the subscribe button, pati na din yung notification bell. Huwag nyo kalimutan din i-follow yung Spotify playlist ko, link in the description down below. Yung mga kantang nandun is yung mga kantang magagawa ko, pati na din yung mga kantang pinoproduce ko. So pag hindi nyo alam yung mga ibang kanta ko, at saka yung mga ibang kantang pinoproduce ko, just follow the playlist man, para maging updated kayo palagi. Kasi yun nga, every month may bagong kanta akong isa. So pag di kayo updated sa mga ibang social media ko, so just follow the playlist and you're gonna be updated to anything, okay? And then let's get to the video. Yo, Flex fam. Sorry di ako napag-intro, but dito na ako mag-intro sa sakyan ng kaibigan ko. So basically man, sa vlog na to, first time ko makipag-studio sa kaibigan kong to. First time namin pumunta ng studio, but like we've seen each other like a couple times, like more than like 5 times before. Pero di ko alam na gumagawa pala ito ng rap music siya, like heavily. Di ko alam na may studio pala siyang like beat up studio lang, like mine. Di ko alam na meron siyang ganon. So it's gonna be our first time making music. He got like KRK ones, I think. No, not like 1 KRK Rocket speakers. Simple na siyang studio daw, sabi niya. So this kind of place is where everything starts, bro. So yung mga ganitong mga studio dito, gumagawa yung mga kantang banging, like, you know what I mean? So hopefully something happen. I know something good's gonna happen, like always. Even though it's not about music, something's gonna be happening subconsciously. So let's just make something, bro. I'm not gonna talk. Hindi na ako magsasalita sa pag nasa studio na ako. We're just gonna let everything flow. Mas maganda pag may videographer na kasama ko ngayon, but I can't afford that right now. But hopefully in the future, magdadala ko na sariling videographer or photographer na pwede mag-film sa amin na gumagawa na ganito. So man, like I said, we're just gonna make music. So enjoy this video, okay?
Man, 1 take, we were bullshit. We weren't even really doing. This nigga got an OC camera too.
I got OC, bro.
Hey, look OC. That's the solo, right?
Yeah, it's solo. You're right. This boy got fucking thing, bro. I got one though. I got one for you, bro. There's some bouncy ass, like, I don't know how to explain this, but like this bouncy, like.
I can't cap, you know what I'm saying? It's not.
Yeah, but tell me what you think.
But that wasn't me though.
That's not you.
That's not me. That's not me. That's not.
But it's bouncy though.
I was bouncy. You can put that on YouTube.
Some type, like what?
Type beat.
Rick Ross type beat.
Wait. I'm gonna tell you what type beat that was. Go back.
Okay. Oh.
That was a
What was it, bro?
That might be a Tiger type beat.
Tiger.
I can hear Tiger rapping on this jump.
Tiger. Okay, I can see that.
Oh, I got you. I'm rap like Tiger.
Okay, rap like Tiger right now. I'll turn it up a little bit.
Fucking cheap raw. Bad bitches, I'm a fucking raw. Come from the that's not what I'm on. Catch me in the club. Bottles of dark on. Catch me in the fog.
tiger, bro. I'm gonna play some shit, though, for real.
I'm worried about motherfucking lyrics. That's what we gotta worry about, nigga. I know it's not killing though. Wow, you know what this is? Well, this is
That's about that type beat.
This smell is. You did that with the sample?
Yeah.
Fire, nigga. Hey, you fire, fool.
Thanks, bro.
This shit remind me of some Kanye West shit.
Put it like, okay, let's.
That shit remind me of some Kanye West. That's like some Kanye West shit.
We can pitch it up, like try pushing it up, like, you know, kind of Kanye West be like pitching that shit up. Hey.
You might want to do like that.
I mean, just cut the beat a little bit. Yeah, I got that one.
Alright. So, free to fry. So I see you got the boom bap. You got the.
I got the boom bap shit. I got the rod wave type shit right here.
What's this?
Huh? Rod wave type shit. Or like Roddy Rich.
Bro, you definitely got a hold on your shit, bro. You can keep going.
Wait. No, that's some other shit I didn't finish, but
It's alright, bro. Sometimes that.
other shit I didn't finish, bro.
I mean, sometimes, you know what I'm saying? That shit right there. It's $1 million shit. You just gotta wait for the right day to hit it again.
Facts. You got that shit. You got like 5 more.
I like that joint, bro.
Got like 5 more.
I really like that last joint. Probably the most. It's good weird.
Shit weird, bro. Got that one, bro.
I'm joint smooth.
Bouncy stuff, bro.
I like that.
You said
I like
keep that bounce, so I got you.
Yeah, man, for sure.
Get that.
Yeah, jump into a different dimension.
We say dimensions now, bro.
Yeah,
Mention dimensions
I'm
now.
trying to stay away from the boom bap lately, you feel me?
What type of shit you go into? Like weird, like futuristic shit.
Yeah.
All right.
Yeah, I like this one.
You want this one?
I like whatever bag he was in right there. Whatever you classify that as, I'm doing more of that tonight.
All right.
Yeah.
So make it. Let me see. Oh yeah, I see that. I get what you mean now.
You gotta be on some shit, boy. Alright. Ooh, there it is. There it go. There he is. I'm out of kettle. See his car.
How much you gonna use this one?
I'm out of kettle. I'm out of kettle. That nigga,
Here we go. Is it dirtier than this?
It's dirty.
It's good?
Sounds good.
I'm just gonna put a kick.
Maybe a reverse kick, nigga. Reverse the kick, nigga. It's fine for that reverse kick. Ooh, yeah, might have a regular kick and a reverse kick in that motherfucker. Woo!
I'm doing this shit now. Should I reverse kick on this bitch?
Yeah, it's not a reverse kick.
No, I'm gonna reverse the 808.
How does that sound?
I got you. Bro, you know
You also do it this way.
the box 808, bro. They reversed the 808 in that one.
Nigga, you have to call this beat
What?
Shacks.
Shacks. Alright, I'm telling you about the reverse shit, right? Wait.
Ooh, boy, I'm trying to tell you.
Wait. This shit took a long fucking time to do, bro.
What you using, FL?
FL, bro. You got FL?
Nah, nigga, I ain't.
You got Pro Tools?
Nigga, I'm not him. That's why you sitting there and I'm sitting here. The nigga that's halfway him is halfway away.
Something like that, but I'm not done yet. Wait.
Yeah. You hear that? Well, we gotta switch some of these sounds out. But this shit is fire, nigga. We just gonna switch the sounds out. We ain't gonna add nothing. Switch nothing, just the sound.
Just like,
Just that tap that tap you got in the back. We gotta change that bitch to a wooden knock on the door, nigga.
This one?
That motherfucker right there, nigga. We gotta take
I was just trying to fucking. This one?
Nigga, yeah, give me something wooden like that, nigga. I need that bitch to sound like a knock. The niggas need to be scared. Like, look at the door when they hit.
Alright, I'm just gonna put a lot of shit.
Hey, Will. That's my boy Sage. That's my Sage Will. That's my girl, boy. That's my wait, bro.
I'm awake, brother.
Yeah.
Sheesh. Hey. I'm telling you, this shit bouncing, bro. Yeah. Hey. Open hat, you mess with that shit? Or this is good?
Nah, we got no space for that nigga on the
I bet.
No
This is good, right? Alright, I'm gonna loop this shit.
Hey, nigga, across the street.
Ooh, this shit fire, bro.
Yeah, bro, don't add no sounds in this motherfucker. This shit is done. We got everybody we need. Nigga, you hear that knock, nigga?
Hey. I just switched that up right now, bro. Hey.
Alright, what's that fucking hi-hat? Is the hi-hat ticking?
Yeah.
Keep it that, I ain't gonna lie, man. Keep that nigga.
Keep it like this.
Man, keep that nigga like that. I ain't gonna.
Just simple, bro.
Yeah.
Or maybe we can take the hi-hat from here, though. Let's try that shit.
Wait. Taking it out?
Take this from this part right here. What? Yeah. Woo. Alright. That one's good.
Yeah, that's money.
Good.
That's money.
Okay, add like 808. More 808 a little bit. You should get
if anything more bang. Like,
more bang.
That shit is there, nigga.
Alright.
If anything more bang, yeah, that shit's there.
Just gonna add some 808 in this bitch.
Man, put this bitch alone. And if we want to start working on another motherfucking beat, and then when this motherfucker wakes up, this shit sounding right.
This shit not good?
Nah, this shit sound
Oh.
right. Leave this motherfucker alone, nigga. It's a very important skill, nigga. Pull the plug. Hey, man. Y'all tell these motherfuckers he need to stop with this motherfucker. It's good. That's it. On the hood, neighborhood.
Alright, wait. I'm just gonna export this bitch. I'm good. Alright. I got your own folder right here, bro. I got your own folder right here, bro.
Hey, yo. I don't know what vlog he gonna post this on, but this is when this nigga turned up. And when this nigga came to this undisclosed location, what you see here is a prop, it ain't real.
It's like some first time fucking
You trying to go that way?
This is like, listen to the fucking piano, bro.
Nah, the piano is what I'm going on with, nigga. The piano in the back. I ain't going crazy. That piano telling me how to slide, nigga. Hey.
Goddamn. I gotta post this in my story, bro. Hey, throwing gang signs right now, bro. Bro, we done, bro. We done. We done for the night, bro. We done for the night, bro. We good. This is good, bro.